my library friends. Holy moly, did I get a book order? Let's unpack it. And I've got a book cart ready to go. So, if you would like to place holds on the things that are in here, you can comment below or go onto our catalog. When you see this with this video, they should all be in the catalog. If you have requests that you want to see in our catalog, please let us know that in the comments too. You ready? Let's go! Oh. Okay. Oh yay! Okay, we'll start with the books on CD. The oh so popular, The Women. If you haven't put this on hold, just do it. You need to read this. Okay, new books on CD. New Dean Koontz. That one I'm totally reading. Okay. There we go. New books on CD. One box down. Many more to go. Ooh, A Replacement. Such a good movie. Ooh, that's for you.
Mm-hmm.
That's A Replacement. Ooh, new book for card games. There we go. Political thrillers. Oh yay! For the anglers. True crime. Yay! I've been waiting for this for quite some time.
Mm-hmm.
Crime thriller. New Investor's Guide. That one's a request. Oh, for you too.
That is definitely for me. Sorry everyone, you're going to have to wait at least 2 more weeks while I put that on hold.
Okay, that's the end of the little boxes. Oh yay. Oh yay, it's the travel. This is funny that they're right next to each other.
Hold on. Can you tilt this one ever so slightly? There we are. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, we got the travel. A new travel.
Nice.
More fitness. Oh, okay. Put these and this together. For the gardeners. And the home butcher. That just looks really tasty for the vegans. Oh yay! And that's for the seed library. Dictionary, romance, sustainability living, little historical fiction. This is the everything box. Okay, new ESL test. Oh, yes. And a little birding guide. More travel. More hands. New dictionary. East Coast Travel Guide. More seed saving for the seed library. Oh yes. Okay. Seed library. Bird watching time. Good. Business. New Mary blog. Breastfeeding. An air fryer guide. Okay, that's the end of the box. Let's take a short break.